In this video, I'll detail how to set a camera timer when taking a picture on an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, then this video is going to show you how you can set a timer on your iPhone 12 Pro Max when you want to take a picture so that you can really position yourself before the camera, especially if you're using a tripod stand. Or if you're using one hand and you want to put on the timer to properly fit into the camera and well position yourself before you take it, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can set a camera timer when taking a picture on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the camera app. Then once you open the camera app, make sure the camera app is on photo. So because you want to take a photo, so make sure the camera app is on photo or portrait, either photo or portrait. So mark you cannot use camera timer while recording videos on your iPhone 12 Pro Max or on any iPhone, except you use a third-party application. However, to set a timer on your iPhone while taking picture on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, all you just need to do is click on this pointed arrow, or before them, select either you want to use photo or portrait. It's either photo or portrait. Once you selected your choice, click on this pointed arrow. Then you'll see this menu comes up. On the menu, click on this icon. That is the first icon before the last icon. That is the timer icon on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Click on that. Then here you have 4 options available. Turn off timer, set timer to 3 seconds, set timer to 5 seconds, and set timer to 10 seconds. Once you selected whichever timer you want to set on your iPhone 12 Pro Max while taking a picture, what you just need to do is click on the shutter button. Then you see the countdown like this. Then after the countdown, your iPhone will take the picture automatically. You see that? Then you can also use the front camera if you don't want to use the rear camera by using this button to flip the camera. And once flipped, just like this, then go ahead, set your timer. This is 5 seconds. Let's set this to 3 seconds. And then click on the shutter button. Then try and position yourself properly. You see that? Don't mind my look actually. So that is how you can easily set a camera timer when taking a picture on an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.